Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. We are going to be going to the Veterans Day Parade here in West Michigan, here in the town of Hart. And weather is showing that it's supposed to be pretty cool. It's going to be around 50 degrees. There is a slight possibility of some rain. We don't know yet, but anyway, it's that time of year though. And that means I'm going to have to put the canvas back on the vehicles. So today we're going to be throwing the canvas on the 715 and on the M37. That way we can take those both in the local parade for Veterans Day. So that's what we're going to do. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start off with getting the frames up and going. All right, next we'll get these side windows in place. wrap up getting the top on the 715. All in all, it's not too bad of a project. And this is a great top. Big shout out to Dave Pizzaferrato over at Weavy Webbing, and made this great top several years ago for us, and still holding up great. So next we'll move on to the M37 Dodge. All right, let's move over, put the top on the Dodge. Whew. Whew. That Dodge top's a lot more of a pain in the butt than the 715 top, so glad to have it done. Well, that'll wrap things up here on Green Iron TV. We have the canvas tops now on both the M37 and the 715, and we have them all buttoned up and ready for the Veterans Day Parade coming up here. You know, I like to try and keep the canvas off the vehicles for as long as I can, because I just enjoy riding around and, you know, in the open top vehicles. But once this weather starts to turn, it's time to throw the canvas back on and you know, protect ourselves a little bit for this last parade. The 715 does have heat in it, which is nice. Fortunately, the Dodge does not, but luckily just being closed in, it's only supposed to be 50 degrees, just being closed in and out of the wind and elements should be enough to make you comfortable in the Dodge. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for following along. As we get ready, like I said, we are going to the big Veterans Day Parade, and we plan on having as many of my vehicles as I can get there, plus several other local guys with vehicles. Last year, I think we had 12 total vehicles, and I hope we have that or more this year. So stay tuned. That's probably going to be the next episode of Green Iron TV. And of course, like always, please take a moment, hit the like, give us a comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you can follow along for all the good Green Iron madness. And of course, please take a moment, check out the link in the description down below for the Green Iron TV merchandise store. All kinds of great things in there, hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and we love to get that stuff out to you guys. So anyway, just want to say thanks and hope you guys have a great day.